Yes, omurebe murunji wa Apex TV kandi oguno murundi nyonchiro munini yongera yona n'ebintu byone biri taking a place aha mukoro gwa Rage ogwa nyincha kale Rage live in concert amajingaga nabona omushija w'amana omuntu ogwatire kintu ekibinji n'omuntu turi kureberaho muturani mu MC Kacece abinji muri friends veya social media burahamwe hona nimureba ha ma TVs gal different radios kandi ejesha hatu mwinini tutatunga omujego kwasa kumutaya isaha Apex TV nabanishaba oyanjura bantaba.
Yes, abanjaba kureba Apex TV amazina ni MC Kacece abenyu kumanyanga Mbalala boy MC Kacece Mbalala boy straight.
No chikoro takushanga ngo otire kintu chawa harevo wasize kwa society nganabeshongo z'abamani cyabinji turi kwegomba kandi kitakashire iwe chikozirota.
Ngira most times no ya time bichimo china ncheta goma zo cheta time abantu basakunde berizo bandi kudinga nabeshongoze ndinga ndikukora ibintu bingi bajamba mushabitanje kanyomwaze ibintu kabitandika kare kandi chini mushabe mukama biona me I'm not the best person because mbu or anything konkanya ni sima mukama kama nkorire ibintu byingi has surprised me, but still it needs time. Wetu are emporampo takarwana takare bakacecerizo bende kubanka we utine chiwakoze take time. I can tell I've been in this game at least more than 5 or 6 years.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Katanchiro mu high school doing MCing, then Janaza University ko MCing, then as a few friends of musicians na tamba nabo. I think my breakthrough in MCing was when I got a gig ya Cox Studio. I happen to have got a chance to work with Cox Studio bakanyo kumbara abantu ara Kampala kinache Kampala tukatuba MC njanka 50 bakana weno ba MC batano. So bajani wako selecting ambata interviews wakora interviews and surprising jomba ntunka 50 I was among the top 5 kan top 5 vabo abenji bakana bajanta MC wamba mishana tugambe urunyankore takabasagamba no rujungu takanga abana bembaga
ebyakacece mumanya ebigambo biyeni byinji kandi tujaga kantu yongera oguno murundi tujamwe tumutayisa konka tsumuntu kubuza uturiya ha mukoro gwa Rage so history yo ni manyangu neberi impango Rage atire kintu cheye kandi if I'm not mistaken niwe ambassador of Africell of Western Uganda, right? Yes. Africell echikozireta kandi niwe washabere Africell kubasa kwatagana Rage ninga Africell kijaronda Rage.
Of course Africell yonkayo ne kunda kusupportinga Ugandan music kandi tukuja mu Ugandan music yonka kamba kugamba Ugandan music kandi batekateka Ugandan music is Kampala no. Now nekunda supporting all music in Uganda. Rage is not from Kampala to Kampala no mwana witu wambara
wa bushenyi de hari
no mwana wankore. So Africell nekunda Ugandan music ti Kampala. So yijira jamba no mwana wamba munaza gukora show kandi murunje. Of course nanyamba mbazanka ambassador Rage no Manyota Ariata. Of course nazo big brands banzenda kwa shootinga na big brands. Banza of course bakabanza constant sans bambuza Rage no Manyantego Ariata tuasakora nawe agent. Of course Rage ni manyaje nkanyine kumuha wagwa head banja kayo asigara wa muhagwa. Of course ngomwe mugwanye nka ambassador wa Africell banyine kubagambira ya turabaho turija tukurabaho. So of course kwambo is about Rage na jeje ni sure deal turabaho. So Africell yayikiza kuza board mayo kimwe cyane zibazeremerako mbonye bakimanya bakore ba
Africell nibo official sponsor ba Rage live. Now Kacece abantu mwena baramu bareba Apex TV tuzakongera gumantu bakuretera abantu nkaba kandi omushijogu no muntu okubasa kushikira akabasa kusya handijo. You know abajungu mbagira ngo people empowering people, you can't work alone. And if you want to be successful, please you can work with this man. He's the popular man. All Uganda knows him. Nanye nimpurani nyenda kubanka Kacece konkanyo gaini. Yes, nyona Kacece ite turumuntu kusyaho ebintu ebi. Ntureba stage mpango
na Rage no muhango Rage timuche
habeshongozi abatwire mbabaho mu Western Uganda ebivuro bijenzerene bibaho konka oguyakora hakantu ko mutano iwe no chiherezo ta credit kandi no encouraging otondijo mweshongozi kuyakubasa kwana ndakoresha intu nkechi ashimikwa na atwaza ata ni buntu chi buche nkabuntu nkabushatu bashimikwa na akora kureba ngo nawe ya achieving ikintu nkechi
at nantayebwa Rage nyuma we myaka nkagumwe ningebere nyuma aho Rage no mutakunda kwebuza abantu bakumana bacyenga music. Rage abantu bakana bamugira Rage tu oshongwe mnonga tukoreka constant ajantoke niza kora na mutima je banjikora bantajikora kakiyariza kumana jana tubuza tunyibuja nakakambuza cy'abantu kandi bagira mu nation kode ka constant njikore ninga na mjaro egi time eliyo is a time ora ready abantu bakura already at age time kugambe erizoba rage is more than ready already munonga already for the constant kungakono jaka papa kajikora last year ninga last year but one akabe maybe some yatu mashabe shonga bariyo kabandi abakutureba mu making sure mbu utapapa take your time. Take your time kera iki nunoza kore kintu kejo takale ba regi yakora stage keji uja ha regi yakikora ananyinza kuchikora next year no regi ahirakire yabanza yashongora yahurambu yes age no time kora kosani most times no kubuza abanani baba ryoko not only abanani abakwetura abamuna barya bashwechi no babuza bakubiya nche no buza abantu bakuma music out of your click bagambire so regi is ready kana chikora irakire kinji so ni waryoko no basta kuchikora we time we ukura music kwa murungi ba discipline is very important by the original mlata gamba mnonga no moja kunami
abantu binji mbajangu regi na ipanga nachichuba maybe bana bagira mutagamba mnonga nabantu kino cyicukura cyeyi kandi kimuyambere mnonga manya muti yakujambo ryo musuru kamuga kambo ryo musuru no baba mubi ogo ni kacece ebya kacece ni shabangu turi muntu ntuhendera akantu aka na ninjirangu oyeta abantu